Okay, so Daddy, you are the guest lecturer in 2008.
The first one.
You're the first one, and then you're the 2015 lecturer. So a lot of it, you are like obsessed about Adelabu. Everything you're holding is Adelabu.
Yes, everything here is Adelabu.
Do you think Bayo Adelabu is going to win the governorship?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know
Makinde
yet.
is going to give him a run for his money.
Makinde is going to give him a run for his money. Sheyi won on Bombe about Olunloyo, December 29th, 2018. So who are the front runners? Sheyi Makinde and Bayo Adelabu.
I think so.
Who else?
And,
Akalanko, Daddy.
Somebody.
Akalanko.
Adegoke Adelabu and Lamidi Adedibu wrote this small book towards the end of his life.
What I witnessed.
Of Adelabu in action. And it's very interesting. You know why?
Yeah.
His life is worth emulating, especially by contemporary
politicians. In
spite of his phenomenal political achievement, at the time of his death, he had less than £40
in his account
in Barclays Bank, and a building uncompleted, which he constructed at his ancestral land in Ibadan, which he dubbed Taj Mahal.
Wow.
You know what his conclusion is?
Yeah.
He says, come and see his conclusion. Actually, it could be said that Adelabu initiated grassroots politics in Yoruba land. But for him, the action group could have remained a party where educated elites and traditional chiefs will have exclusively held sway. He awakened through presenting a virulent opposition the need for action group to involve grassroots elements like us in politics in Ibadan at the time.
Very interesting.
So
now the grandchildren are into the politics now.
Yes, they are into the politics.
So it's Sheyi versus Adelabu, and I'm in the INEC side of things. Daddy, I'm going to be doing some work with INEC.
Yes, you know something, I think.
Observer / come and pick up your PVC. There's 900,000 PVCs not picked up. So yes, I'm speaking to Barrister Muti Advocate to use my popularity to get people to come out.
But you know something about the amount of